好啦，大家好，我係貓哥啊。嗱，咁而家現場咧，其實就係喺萬燕度啦。咁其實咧，而家我哋就排隊，好似上年一樣，就係排隊去買呢個 Black Limit 啦。咁入到會場係點？我諗上年你就睇住上年條片先啦。咁啊，一路會同大家去講下。咁我一路圍住啦。咁啊，今晚應該會有好多睇嘅。咁我都會拍俾大家睇嘅。咁啊，大家記得去繼續睇啦。咁啊，我再周圍再拍啲嘢先。打住我身後咧，而家就係食緊飯嘅時間啦。咁其實入到嚟之後咧，我哋嘅會場入面咧，大家會見到除咗好多人排隊之外咧，咁入到嚟之後咧，咁其實就會見到會場後面咧，其實就係咁嘅樣嘅，同上年咧其實係類似啦。大家會見到入到嚟就非常之多人啦。咁啊，現場除咗有唔同嘅collector 啦、代理商啦、零售商啦，仲會有陣間我哋7點半鐘嘅時候就會有發佈會啦。咁仲有最後一樣嘢就好似係一啲 special guest 嘅台啦，咁就會喺呢一度會出現啦。咁就係咯，我哋陣間再睇下有啲咩新嘢同大家影下啦。Malaysia。
And he very appreciates for this chance, and he hope everyone at good time enjoy this time. Thank you.
In many different ways. I don't know. See. From 2015 to 2025, he won the award every year in Tokyo Auto Salon. That's an achievement. That is also one of the reasons we choose this as a place to do a special event. Bugatti, we had the ENG one, was Project 1 on, and Aston Martin Valhalla. So, but we have many supercars, so I see many of you expect we produce this. So now this is confirmed and officially in development. Accessories. We had the Nissan, I think everybody knows. We had a Pro. First one, fat oil, is a must for any Harley-Davidson fan. Then we will have the Heritage Classic, and the third bike, you must have this, the V-Rod, Harley-Davidson with a Porsche engine, right? So this will be the first 3 motorbike we produce under the MINIGT and Harley-Davidson program. And it will be finished and...
Hippie style. That's all. Thank you.
So this these will build a hand-built concept, and you'll be displayed at the tablet over there, and then you'll be at the MDX to show everybody. So we approached Mizu when we had a Volkswagen.
Can't do it any other way. So it's going to have a mid-engine clamshell rear. It's going to be very different. And Kaido Star. So this is another one that we revealed late last year. This is well into development. In development, and we'll hope to see it towards the end of this year. This will be a lot of fun. Tilt-Cat Q1 next year, and we are going to drop it here in Dayton again. Look forward to that. And dig into some of these in a minute here, and we're gonna take you through some of our partnership journeys. And of course, we're very busy with our project vehicles. Some of them you've seen as a 𝐂𝐇𝐀 car, and some of them are upcoming. So look forward to that.
So let's meet item number 1000, the new director gift. This is the first time Porsche allowed us to make the fantasy color. It took a little bit longer because I had to show the prototype to Porsche 1000, the director's gift. And I guess with the other two director's gift over there, we probably need a strong security guard.